These are the main challenges that we consistently hear from manufacturers. They try to save time in programming and accelerate machining processes. They also try to maximize resource utilization, such as automation, lights-off machining, free up capacity, while reducing costs and achieving the required quality, and at the same time expanding their manufacturing capabilities in order to grow the business. However, on top of these challenges, studies shows that over 50% use standalone CAD and CAM systems. Fewer than 30% manage and control their data. About 75% use disconnected CMM inspection processes, whereas 61% rely on paper-based communication for key manufacturing data. The data is uncontrolled. The challenges from the machine shops are what is driving manufacturing software development. Many customers have made investments in their engineering environments such as CAD and PDM, but very often manufacturing is kept in separate silos. Planning is not an integral part of manufacturing engineering, therefore done on the logistical level in ERP or spreadsheets without connection to engineering manufacturing data. As good companies may manage their engineering data, as poor they do when it comes to manufacturing. So how can they make sure to stay in sync and ensure that changes are considered and traced across the company? Looking at production, we can see more such silos in isolated DNC or tool management systems, and more media breaks appear, making production security jeopardized. As you can imagine, there is tons of interaction that goes on between these different areas. A big challenge to all is if the systems managing these areas are completely disconnected. That's most often the case with the typical customers. They may not be fully disconnected, but still, they often do have breaks in their data management. So that's where the typical challenges really are in, not being integrated engineering to machining. So CAD and CAM integration, decoupled from design changes, no revision control, no change control, and of course it's going to be hard to track subtasks, such as operation details, and understand completeness. The chart on the right-hand side shows really these media breaks and media disconnects.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.